Hi friends, welcome to Karishma's recipe cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to make Toor Dal. First, take 1 cup of Toor Dal. Add 2 big glass of water. One medium size of tomato and 2 spoon of coriander leaves. Half spoon salt. Half spoon turmeric powder. And then put on a lid and make at least 4 whistles. Now I'm going to make a tadka. I'm using a peanut oil around 3 spoon. Two tablespoons of cumin seed, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 4 to 5 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of garam masala. Mix well all together. Now I'm adding a boiled Toor Dal. Let's cook around 4 to 5 minutes. Mix well all together. 1 spoon of ghee. It's give you nice aroma and good taste. Now I'm going to decorate. If you like my recipe, please share, like and comment, and don't forget to press icon bell. Thank you.